In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Make, formerly Integromat, and ClickUp. First, open Make in your browser and head to your organization dashboard. If you're not already signed in, log in so you can access your workspace. Think of Make as the place where you design automations. Everything you're about to do starts from this dashboard. Next, create a new scenario. A scenario is Make's term for an automation blueprint. When you click Create Scenario, you'll enter the visual editor where modules are connected to define what should happen and when. This is the canvas where your ClickUp workflow will come to life. From the module picker, choose ClickUp. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar to find it quickly. Selecting ClickUp tells Make that your scenario will interact with your ClickUp workspace. Now, pick the specific task operation you want from the menu. This could be something like creating a task, updating a task, or watching for new tasks. As a tip, think of watch or list operations as ways to receive data from ClickUp, while create or update operations send changes to ClickUp. Choose the one that matches the workflow you're planning, such as automatically creating a task when something happens in another app. Before you can use that operation, click Create a Connection. A connection securely links Make to your ClickUp account so data can flow between the two. You only need to set this up once per account or environment. Give your connection a clear name. A descriptive naming convention helps you stay organized. Something like ClickUp Team Environment works well. This becomes especially helpful if you manage multiple workspaces or plan to build several scenarios. Click Save. A new window will appear to confirm the connection, and you may be asked to authorize access through your ClickUp account and confirm via email. Follow the prompts. Make sure you're granting permission to the correct workspace and complete any verification steps. If your organization has strict permissions, ensure you have access to the relevant spaces and lists in ClickUp before proceeding. Once the authorization finishes, your connection will be active and your selected ClickUp operation in Make will be ready to use. From here, you can continue designing your scenario in the editor with confidence, knowing ClickUp is properly linked. If anything doesn't connect on the first try, double-check your account permissions and that you're confirming the right workspace during the authorization step. That's it for linking Make and ClickUp and choosing the action you want to automate. You're now set to build out the rest of your scenario and streamline your workflow.